So we're just about to start our walk up Conic Hill. The day's cleared up a little bit. We've got Loch Lomond in the background behind us, which is just cleared after a huge rainstorm. It's nice and blue sky at the moment, and we are about to walk up here, Conic Hill. It's still a little bit in the rain at the moment, but fingers crossed it clears up for us. Scottish weather is amazing. 5 minutes ago it was a torrential downpour. Now it's blue sky all around us and looks lovely.
After the gate from the woodland, there's a really steep stone section taking you sharply up onto the ridge.
That's us about 2/3 of the way up the hill now. Beautiful sky behind us, looks like there's more rain coming in. So probably just another 10-15 minutes to go to the summit. What a stunning day. Absolutely no sign of yesterday's rain.
Well, good morning everyone, welcome on board the Lomond Chieftain. My name's Craig, I'll be your skipper on this trip to Loch here today. Also on board we've got Darren. Now Darren will shortly come round to collect any fares and tickets from you.
I don't think we've ever seen the loch so smooth. It's like a mirror today.